Why is the HTML from tag important for data? Imagine you want to create a web page where visitors can share their names, email addresses, or feedback. How does the website know where to send that information? That's where the HTML from tag comes into play. It acts like a container that holds all the input fields and buttons needed for users to enter their data. Without it, the inputs would just be floating around without any connection to a system that can process them. The form tag wraps all the input elements like text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, and submit buttons. This grouping tells the browser that these elements belong together as a form for data collection. It's like putting all your ingredients into a bowl before mixing. When you set up a form, you also specify where the data should go using the action attribute. This attribute points to the server or script that will handle the information. For example, if you want to send data to a script called process.php, you set the action to that URL. You also choose how the data is sent with the method attribute. The most common options are get and post. Get appends the data to the URL, which is good for simple searches or sharing links. Post sends the data in the request body, making it safer for sensitive information like passwords. When someone clicks the submit button inside the form, the data is sent to the server based on these settings. Without the from tag, clicking submit would have no idea what data to send or where to send it. The form tag also helps with accessibility. When used with label elements, it makes it easier for screen readers to identify what each input is for. This makes your website more user-friendly for everyone. Plus, forms support validation features that check if the user entered the right type of data before submitting. This helps improve data quality and prevents errors. For beginners, creating a simple form is straightforward. You add the from tag, set the action and method, then include input fields for name, email, or any other info you want to collect. Inside the form, you add a submit button so users can send their data. This basic setup is the foundation for building interactive websites that gather user input and send it to servers for processing. In short, the HTML from tag is essential because it organizes, directs, and manages how user data is collected and sent. It makes sure that all the input elements work together smoothly and that the data reaches the right place. Without it, creating functional, user-friendly forms on your website would be impossible.